Hey guys, Park here. Welcome back to another video. And today I'll be making pineapple cookies without using all-purpose flour and maida. So let's get into it. First I have took some butter and sugar and powdered sugar and mixed it to this consistency. And now we have to add our dry ingredients, wheat flour and pineapple which I sliced into cubes, some milk and a little bit of pineapple essence. Add the wheat flour when the butter and the powdered sugar is in nice creamy consistency. That's when you get good cookies. And stir it well until the wheat binds with the butter. I'm adding pineapple right now, but you can add it when you complete all the when you complete the cookie dough. A little bit of pineapple essence. And a little bit of milk. Now stir it till you get the cookie dough consistency. I can smell the pineapple essence right now. Add the milk little by little so that it doesn't affect the consistency of your cookie dough. If you pour too much of milk, then you can add a little bit of wheat flour in that, so that it just goes hand in hand with the consistency. And also I have heated the oven in 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. So when you get this nice cookie dough consistency, switch to a spoon. That's more easier, and it's not coming out of the whisk. Now I've switched to a spoon so that it's easy for me to stir. I'm adding more milk because I haven't reached that cookie dough consistency yet. So now it's into a nice cookie dough consistency, and I have heated the oven for 180 degrees Celsius. Celsius or Fahrenheit? I think Celsius. Yeah. Yes, 180 degrees Celsius, and for 10 minutes. So now we have to take a baking tray and butter. You can either use aluminium foil over it or silicone sheets. I use aluminium foil because I don't have a silicone sheet, and butter it up a little bit. I'll just show you guys that. Now I've greased the baking tray with butter, and now take a spoonful of the cookie dough and place it on the baking tray. Appa! 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 அமைதியா இருங்கப்பா, வீடியோ எடுக்கிறேன். ignore the sound. And again a spoonful of it. I don't have a scoop, so I'm using a spoon and a whisk to apply the cookies on the baking tray. Now let's bake these at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. And the cookies are ready. This took me about 20 to 25 minutes. You can bake the cookies until they are nicely baked. For me it took me 20 to 25 minutes. So hope you enjoyed this video and comment below which recipe should I try next. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.